Oh, wow. It's a treasure chest. Oh, the box! Oh, I love boxes. Oh, what's really going on, Pez collecting fans? Close this up and put this aside. Josh, the Pez guy here on the PEZBook channel. Please do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, your concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, we have some paper. Yeah, plenty of tape. Okay, so I have two objects, which I should. Here, and throw that over there. All right. Loathe tape. No rhyme or reason where it started, or... Okay. We have a blue stem! So until next time... No, we... Alright. So, let's play the game like this. Yugoslavia. Okay. It should be IMC... we can't see that. Okay. So we have a Yugoslavian stem PEZ dispenser. See this one? A little less tape. A little easier. There we go. Ooh, check out that one. This is a really cool made in Hong Kong stem. And as I go up the stem, you can see this marbleizing. That is really cool. Part 7 is nearly impossible to see. Right in here. It goes up and then down. It's right below that there. That weird little mark, that little arrow, that's the IMC 7. Okay. On the back of the head, the inner sleeve, see these little markings right in through here? That signifies that it is the older metal spring pirate inner sleeve that goes with the Hong Kong. So this Yugoslavian PEZ dispenser I broke the tape code. Ta-da! We have a variation. So, when we compare the backs of the heads, all right, the tab right here is flush. See that little tab there? So the Yugoslavian one, it's actually raised a little bit more. So it's different. It doesn't have the markings here, but it is still the metal spring. So we have a Yugoslavia. We have a Hong Kong. So we know there's going to be differences here on the bandanas, if you will. And if you look at the side of the bandana, see all the detail on the one on the right? How it's a lot deeper grooves? Yeah, all in through here. A lot better detail than on the Yugoslavian one. And when we flip them over, you can see even more detail on the one on the right. There's also a detailed hair boy with cap. That video is coming soon. And then here you can see as they go on the head, let's see, that one's pushed down. Yeah, they're pushed down as much as they can be. So the Yugoslavian one, you're going to see that hole above the ear stay exposed. And then the dispenser here on the right with the partial cheeks. Yep. Hong Kong versus Yugoslavia. So there we go. A couple differences. Very cool PEZ dispensers. Yes. So until next time.